Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to heal in Ready or Not. Alright. In this game, there's no medkit. Alright, just a quick heads up here. Now, as you can see, it says hold F to stop bleeding. Well, let's just do that. Alright. So that we can manage to maybe bring up a bit of our health. Alright. There's no medkit in this game. You don't have medics as well. Alright. Now, every time you get shot, just go ahead and take cover. And then hold F to be able to maybe slightly heal yourself. So that your character is not going to die right away. Alright. Even when we go to our settings right here, there's no such option to heal. Alright. We'll go to keyboards right here, interactions. As you can see, it's all for, there's just toggles right here, reloads, magazine check, interactions, compliance, melee, quick throw, and in here under equipment, as you can see, only equip stinger, CS gas, flashbang, opti wand, reaching shotgun, wedge, C2, pepper spray, multi-tool, and chem light. There is no heal button. Alright, that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.